This past December, we had so much fun on our botanical group trip through Costa Rica that we're doing a second trip this December 2026. We wove our way through tropical lowland old-growth forests, organic farms, and botanical gardens where we got private behind-the-scenes tours to see how people are researching and propagating at-risk and endemic plants in the wild. We saw how crops like peppercorns, bananas, sugarcane, coffee, and cocoa are all grown and produced amongst the most beautiful setting imaginable. And even got a masterclass in the medicinal and hallucinogenic herbs of Central America and beyond. We got up close and personal with the native wildlife, including the cute and cuddly kind, and the not so cute and cuddly kind. I personally had so much fun with this group on this trip that it's challenging to think what I would change, so I just decided to add a couple extra special activities for this year's trip. Now, I know some folks may feel odd about going on a vacation with perfect strangers, but this is like a plant field trip with other plant enthusiasts, and folks just gel right away, and lifetime friendships are forged if you are open to that as part of the experience. So check out our upcoming group botanical tours to Costa Rica, Colombia, Japan, and others on homesteadbrooklyn.com/botanical-tours, or click the link in the description. If the trip is sold out, be sure to put your name on the wait list so you can be notified if a spot opens up. And maybe I'll see you on an upcoming trip this year or next.